my one and only Lovey Dubs. When I first saw you, I just saw a normal college girl that goes to school every day. A normal college girl na deep inside pala, na merong burning passion for the Lord and hunger for His Word. Pero nung una, nakakatawa man, pero sobrang iwas at sobrang inis ko sa'yo kasi ayoko talaga sa mga feeling close sa akin.
Because the God of love brought us here to witness how He will unite John and Anne together. Everything is still fresh in my mind. I first noticed you when one of my dearest friends told me, crush ko yan si John, ang gentleman niya at ang bait niya. Okay? And that was the time I got attracted to you.
That time, I did not know na araw-araw ko na palang nakakasalubong at makakausap ang magiging future wife ko.
The Lord is delighted in the prosperity of His servants. You cannot imagine what God is capable to do with your hands and through your hands. Eventually, we became friends and I was able to know you more and deeper when you were constantly attending our life group. But then, naging pokmaro tayo. And God used our pastors and leaders dahil nangangailangan tayo ng gabay at disiplina.
Every path has led me straight to you.
Mahal, exactly 5 years today, you gave your yes to me. To be your boyfriend and being my first and last girlfriend. But only few knows that it all started as a dream. A dream wherein I was there, protecting you from your past traumas to ever happen again. A dream wherein I was there letting you feel loved, the love that you deserve, not the one that you beg for. Little did I know na si Lord pala yun. In full confidence, I know that it was the Lord who showed me one of the greatest purpose of my life in that dream, which is to love and protect you.
Isa sa pinaka na-appreciate ko sa'yo, minamahal mo pa rin ako sa kabila ng mga dinaanan nating proseso. At kahit ilang beses kitang iniwan sa ere. That's how you reflected Christ's love for me. You are committed, you are intentional, and you are genuine. Our 5-year relationship was a roller coaster ride. Masasabi ko na you are so patient with me.
And we're heaven's fine creations, His pride and adoration, treasures woven by His love, and His care for Him.
Through your efforts, sa lahat ng sacrifices niyo para sa akin, simula po noong bata ako hanggang sa nag-aral na ako, hanggang sa nagtrabaho ako, alam kong pagmamahal niyo at support ay very all out. And remember this, that I will always be here to love and support you as well. Alam kong hindi man halata or hindi man super evident, but I know that you are rejoicing with me sa new season namin ni Ann. Ma and Kuya, mahal na mahal ko kayo. May God bless you and protect you always. I love you both.
I always long for a mama. And I believe it's not too late. Kasi nandito ka. Yung courage mo, yung humility mo. Thank you po, mama. Pa, thank you so much. And nandito pa rin po ako, nandito pa rin kami ni John. Totoo yung sabi ni Red na hindi ka nawala, hindi ka mawawala. Nadagdagan ka. Mahal na mahal ko kita, Papa.
And I will sing of all you've done. And I'll remember how far you carried me from beginning until the end. You are faithful, faithful to the end. Oh, until the
Parang binabalik niya lang yung regalo sa akin. Wow! Grabe. Oy, may resibo.
Bakit ito yung regalo mo? Mukha bang pulubi?
Wow! Oy, hindi to. Magkaiba to ah.
Samsung yan ah.
Paper bag ko to ah.
Thank you so much. Hindi ko alam paano, ano yung re-react ko, iiyak ba ako or what. Pero masaya ako as in. First iPhone ko to, tapos ikaw pa nagbigay. So, ayun. Kung di pala ako nagpakasal na, wala akong iPhone.
Nakita ko na gift mo. Grabe ka. Bayad na ba iyon? Eh, totoo to guys ha. Alam mo na oras ang talaga isa sa mga love language ko. At syempre, mahalaga rin sa akin na healthy ka. Hoy, alam ko na magiging role ko na alagaan ka, pero itong bagay nito ang makakatulong sa akin para mas mabantayan ka. Super excited to see you later and to marry you. I love you so much.
Years ago, marami pong nakakaalam nito na tinago kita ng matagal and you really don't deserve that. But now, by God's grace, in front of all of these people witnessing our union, and of course, in front of the Lord, na talagang naging reason behind all of this, I can finally say out loud that I love you and I'm really proud of you.
As far as eyes can see, right here together. There's nowhere I'd rather be. Oh, it's right where we belong. Oh, there's a million stars up over our heads. Still I would find you right here all over again. Under the sunlit sky. Oh, I know it's true. Oh, I would wait a lifetime, never look back. If it would bring me right here, this moment we had. There's nothing I won't do. Oh, I know it's true.
Sa 5 taon, naging selfless ka. Ang dami nating pinagdaanan. And sa pinaka-critical moment ng buhay ko, hindi mo ako iniwan.
We fall for you.
always remember na mahal kita, my first and my last.